Hello geometry students. Today's learning target is to talk about the three ways to justify similar triangles. And the first way to justify similar triangles is called angle-angle for similarity. So if two angles are congruent to two other angles in the second triangle, then the triangles are similar. Some people call this angle-angle-angle for similarity. So if we look at this example that's on the screen, we can see that angle A and angle D are the same. We can see that angle B and angle E are the same. So those triangles are similar. And we always match up the letters. So A goes with D, B goes with E, and then the C goes with F. So let's take a look at the first example here. So we need to remember that the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 52 plus 81. When I do that, I get 133 degrees. Then I'm going to subtract that from 180. 180 minus 133 is equal to 47. So now I know angle A is 47 degrees. At this point, I can see that there are two angles that are equal. Angle A is the same as angle F, and angle H is the same as angle C, so the triangles are similar. If you wanted to be complete, you could do 47 plus 52, and that's equal to 99, and then 180 degrees minus 99 is 81 degrees, so you know angle G is 81 degrees, and you can see that all three angles are similar, or congruent. So now we're going to write the similarity statement. If I say triangle ABC, that is similar to triangle. Now A matches up with F, B matches up with G, and C matches up with H. So we always want to put the letters in the correct order. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle FGH. Let's look at example 2. Are these triangles similar by angle-angle? So right now we know that angle U and angle K are both 90 degrees, but that's all the information we have. We do not have two angles. So these are not similar by angle-angle. In contrast, if we look at example 3, we have angle A and angle D are both right angles, and we always get to mark vertical angles. So angle BCA is the same as angle DCA. So we do have two angles. Therefore, the triangles are similar by angle-angle. So yes, they are similar by angle-angle for similarity. We have two right angles, and the vertical angles are congruent. Since they are similar, I want to put the letters in the right order. So for the triangle on the left, if I say triangle ABC, that is similar. Well, A matches up with D, the B matches up with E, and the C in the middle matches up with C. So if we do example 3, they are similar by angle-angle, but in contrast, example 2 was not similar by angle-angle. Let's take a look at example 4. Are these triangles similar? This arrow means that the lines are parallel. So since these two lines I'm going to highlight in pink are parallel, that means angle A and angle D, because their alternate interior angles, are congruent. Angle B and angle C are alternate interior angles, and they are congruent. And then we know the vertical angles in the middle are also congruent. So these are similar by angle-angle for similarity. Now let's put the letters in the correct order. If I said triangle ABE, that's similar to triangle A matches up with a D, so that's going to be the first letter. B matches up with C, and then E matches up with E. And finally, let's take a look at our example number 5. Again, these lines are parallel, LM and PO, because of that mark, so these lines are parallel. This time we have corresponding angles. So angle OPN is congruent to angle M. We also know angle PON, that I'm marking here in blue, is corresponding to angle L, and they are congruent. So we can see that we have two angles that are equal, and to make this even more clear, I'm going to draw the big triangle just so it's obvious to you. So I'm going to draw the big triangle, NLM. I'm going to draw the little triangle, OPN. And I'm going to put the markings that M is the same as P, L and O are the same. So we can see by angle, these triangles are congruent. So yes, they are. By angle for similarity. And now I want to put the letters in the correct order, and having the two triangles drawn separately, it makes it easier to see. So if I say triangle LMN, that would be similar to triangle OPN.